The Jelly Beans and the Big Dance, written by Laura Numeroff, presented by Mrs. Conger. Emily loved to dance. She could not wait to take her first official ballet dance class. But when she got to her first dance class, she looked around and saw that the other kids in the class were more interested in drawing, playing soccer, and reading than in dancing. She was sad. The dance teacher told the students they were going to dance to a song called "Oh, Little Bug." And while Emily didn't care what song they danced to, the others were not happy. The girls had nothing in common. One day the girls were dancing, and it was not pretty. In fact, they knocked over their cubbies. And when they did, Emily noticed that the first letters of their names spelled out the word bean. And she got an idea. She had her mom take her to a candy store, her favorite candy store, Petunia's. And she made a purchase for each of the girls. She bought each of them a bag of their very own jelly beans. She said that from now on they were going to be called the Jelly Beans. Turns out that all the girls loved jelly beans as their favorite candy. From then on, the girls worked as a team. They read about bugs, helped design costumes about bugs, got in shape with soccer workouts, and practiced their dance moves over and over and over. On the night of the recital, they were a hit. And then after the recital, all 4 friends went to their favorite place for their favorite candy. I liked this book because it showed that through teamwork, you can accomplish anything.